So guys, I just wanted to show you, this is some neem leaves I harvested for my neem tree, and I put it in these bags here, and I have been putting it in the sun in order to dry. Why? Because I want to make neem powder for my garden. Yeah, so this is the first step. We're simply using the sun to dry the leaves. Guys, I have been drying these neem leaves in the sun for a couple weeks now. I'm going to try and see if they're dry enough now for me to pulverize it using my NutriBullet blender into a powder to use in my garden. So if you want to make neem powder, that's what you want to do. You get the neem leaves, you dry them to a crunch. If you listen, you can hear it. And so crunchy it sounds. And then you would use a high-speed grinder or blender and pulverize it into a powder. And then I'm going to use that to help, when I put in transplants into the ground, into a pot, sprinkle some neem powder around it, just to deter this pest that has been killing all of my young transplants by eating through the young stems. Also guys, just to let you know, I'm wearing a mask right now dealing with this, because when it is pulverized, it gets into a very fine powder that goes into the air, and so I'm using a mask so as not to breathe it in. So guys, I came across some leaves that looks like they have molds on them, so I decided I would just discard it and put it in my compost bin. Let's try this and see if it works. So I just finished running it in the NutriBullet, guys. And this is what we have here. Neem powder. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in a container that I could use in my garden. So this is how you can make your own homemade neem powder.